Checking your website traffic is the key to understanding how well your site is performing, but if you are a new site owner, this might seem complicated. So in this video, let me walk you through several ways you can check your website traffic, and honestly, it's much easier than you think. Let's go! Hey, it's Jack from RankMath, the one SEO plugin that empowers millions of WordPress sites, and this channel is all about helping you grow your search traffic. So if you're new to us, subscribe. Now, if you are new to building a website, the most foundational tools you will need are Google Analytics and Search Console. Let's start with Google Analytics. Now, before we get started, if you have not set up your Google Analytics account and you need a step-by-step guide, you can check out this video right here where I will walk you through everything. The link is in the description as well. Now, assuming that Google Analytics is already tracking your website, let's talk about how some metrics will help you check your website traffic. So as you log into your Google Analytics account, you will immediately see a snapshot of how your website is performing. You will see the number of active users, the number of new users, the average engagement time per active user, the number of active users in the last 30 minutes, and all these data cards suggested for you. Now, I would say one of the most important metrics to look out for is how each individual page performed. And to get that information, you will go to Reports. Under the Lifecycle, you want to expand the Engagement tab and select Pages and Screens. Here, you will have a visual representation of how your top pages perform. And as you scroll down, you will see all your pages together with the data, such as the number of views for each page, the number of active users during the time period, as you can see here, the average engagement time per active user, etc. And if you have more than 10 pages on your site and you want to see everything on the same scroll, you can expand it to your preference. And here you go, these are all the pages on your site. Now, the data is not complete without any comparison, because the important thing is to know how your site has performed, for example this month against the previous month. So to add the comparison data, we have to click on the date range at the top right corner, scroll down and you will see the compare feature. Toggle it on and you can adjust the dates accordingly. For simplicity's sake, let's select the same period last year option and hit apply. From here, you can see that the number of active users have increased over the past year. However, the views and average engagement time per active user has underperformed this year, and it calls for you to see which pages are the cause for such a drop in performance. From here, you can identify the issues and fix it. If you want to know how to improve the quality of your content, I highly recommend that you check out this video right here. The link is in the description. Anyway, if you want to know where your site visitors are coming from, for example, if they are coming from LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, X or whatever, on your analytics, under the lifecycle acquisition, you can click on Overview. And you will see a snapshot of number of users on your site together with the comparison we have added. And you will also find out which countries your visitors are coming from in the last 30 minutes, which platforms your visitors are coming from, and the sessions by primary channel group, etc. So this is how you would check your website traffic using Google Analytics. Now let's talk about using Google Search Console. As a site that relies on search engines for traffic, the Google Search Console is going to be your best friend. To discover the performance of your site, you want to visit the Performance tab. And here you will see the total number of clicks and impressions your site has gotten over the period of 3 months. You can select the range of data accordingly, but you can also compare the data like you did on Google Analytics. Simply click on More and select Compare. And here are the selections. You can even customize your comparison period. Let's select this and hit Apply. And now you will see the performance comparison between the periods you have selected. If you want to add the average click-through rate and the average position data on the graph, you can simply click on those cards and they will be added accordingly. Now, what's important is the data below the graph. It will show you all the search queries your site is ranking for, and if you have selected a comparison data, they will be added right after the current data. From here, you can see the top performing queries or keywords over the period, and you can sort them in ascending or descending order. Now, this is a test site, so you won't see any positive data, but I'm pretty sure you will find great information on your Search Console. And if you want to identify top performing pages on your site, you can click on the Pages tab. And if you have sorted your data according to the number of clicks, then these are the top performing pages on your site. And if you want to know what keywords a particular page is ranking for, you can simply click on the page And here you go, these are all the keywords your page is ranking for, together with their performance data. Now, if you want to uncover more critical information about your site with Google Search Console, please watch this video right here. I'm pretty sure it will open up your eyes to the possibilities you can do with this too. Anyway, you might be confused as to the difference between Google Search Console and Analytics. Google Analytics will track all the different traffic sources coming to your site as well as how your site visitors engage with your content, while Google Search Console will track the organic search performance of your site. Now, as a Rank Math Pro user, your data from Google Analytics and Search Console is easily available on your site. This integration saves time by eliminating the need to switch between platforms, allowing you to view essential SEO metrics directly from your WordPress dashboard. Before anything else, if you haven't connected Rank Math with your Google Analytics and Search Console yet, I highly recommend that you check out this video right here. But assuming that you have already done that, to access the Analytics module, simply hover over Rank Math SEO and the Analytics module is right here. In the dashboard, you will see an overview performance of your site. How many pages have good, fair or poor SEO scores, which is the score you see on every page or post. That indicates how well your page is optimized for the search engines. Then a snapshot of your search traffic, search impressions, total number of keywords your site is ranking for, and its average position. And then the top winning and losing keywords. If you're tracking keywords, you will see them in this tab. You will see how well your site has performed over the past 5 weeks, as well as the top 5 winning posts and losing posts. Now, all these overview cards can be expanded into more detailed reports if you click on these links, but they can also be accessed through the main tabs as well. Now, the Site Analytics tab will line up all your posts together with the SEO score, the schema added to the page, the number of internal, external, and incoming links. Take note that 0 incoming links mean that this page is an orphan page, which is not good for SEO. This is just a demo site, and that's why you are seeing all these zeros here. But if you are seeing this on your site, you've got to do something about it. Anyway, you will see all these search traffic data, which can be found in your Search Console. And then if you want to know how your site has performed, you will click on the SEO Performance tab, where you will see the data together with a graph representation, as well as the Google updates in the timeline. If we expand the data to the last 6 months, you will have a clear picture of how some Google updates has affected your site. Click on one of them and you will understand what the update is about. And if you want to find out more, you can click on Read More. This is a really convenient way to know if your site has been impacted by Google updates. And then as you scroll down, you will see the top 5 winning posts. You can toggle this to the top 5 losing posts so that you know which content to take action on. And going below, you will see all the pages of your site together with their traffic data. You can sort them according to your needs. For example, if I want to know which content have the worst performing click-through rate, you can click on it and they will be sorted accordingly. And if you want to know what keywords a particular page is ranking for, simply click on the page title and it will bring you to the page-specific analytics, where you will discover every detail of the page, like the SEO score, the primary focus keyword, the badges this page has earned, the page speed score, the index status of the page, the trend of the primary focus keyword over the past 30 days, the traffic data, and all the keywords this page is ranking for. This will help you easily identify potential keyword optimization and possibly new topics to write about. And instead of viewing the high-performing pages, you want to see the full list of keywords your site is ranking for, you can click on the Keywords tab. And here is a visual representation of how well your keywords have performed over the period. Then the traffic data, the top 5 winning keywords, as well as losing keywords, and all the keywords your site is ranking for. If you click on one of the keyword, it will expand the page or pages that are ranking for this keyword. Now again, this is a demo site, so you can see multiple pages ranking for the same keyword, but practically speaking, this is not ideal. You want only one page ranking for a particular keyword. So if you see multiple pages ranking for the same keyword, you might need to do a content audit on those pages. And if you're not sure how to do a content audit on your site, feel free to check out this video right here where I'll walk you through the entire process. Anyway, you have the ability to track the performance of any keywords you want up to the limit of the plan you have with us. And to track a particular keyword, simply click on the Add button, type in the keyword you want to track, and as you click Save, you will start tracking that keyword. You can even add the focus keywords of all your posts automatically if you want. And finally, you can identify indexing issues that can affect your traffic. You will see a snapshot of the indexing issues you have on your site, the indexing details of your pages, and you can even view pages with particular issues so that you can easily identify traffic blockers. So with the Rank Math Analytics module, you can easily track your traffic performance without going directly to your Search Console or Analytics. You have everything in one place. Now, using Ahrefs Traffic Checker tool, you can check both your site's traffic as well as your competitor's site traffic. As you visit the tool, this is the link. You just have to add the URL here. It could be your own site or your competitor's site. Click on Check Traffic, and it will estimate the site's monthly traffic based on keyword rankings and search volume. You will know the countries your site visitors are coming from, the top 5 keywords the site is ranking for, together with its position and search volume, as well as the top pages of the site. With this, you can understand how well your site has performed against your competitors, and you may even find keyword opportunities from your competitors. Now, these data are limited, and of course, if you have the budget for Ahrefs, you will get a lot more information. So these are all the methods to check the traffic of your site as well as your competitor's site. And if you have any other methods, feel free to let us know in the comments down below, and don't forget to smash that thumbs up. Our channel is all about helping you grow your search traffic, so if you haven't subscribed to us, consider doing so. This is Jack from Rank Math. I'll see you in the next video.